take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes and bring your awareness to your breath. Feel the natural rhythm of your inhalation and exhalation, allowing each breath to bring you into a state of calm and relaxation. Release the tongue from the roof of the mouth. Imagine yourself standing in the heart of Moab, Utah, surrounded by the stunning landscape of the desert. The sky is blue. The air is crisp and fresh, filled with the scent of desert sage and the faint aroma of red earth. As you begin your journey, feel the earth beneath your feet, solid and grounding. Notice the vibrant red and orange hues of the sandstone formations around you. These ancient rocks, shaped by time and nature, tell stories of millions of years gone by. Allow yourself to feel a deep connection with the land, sensing its history and timeless beauty. Now start to imagine walking along a scenic trail, feeling a gentle breeze against your skin. In the distance, you see the magnificent-looking glass arch rising up from the desert floor. Its elegant curve framed perfectly against the sky. This natural sculpture, formed by wind and water, stands as a gateway to the heavens, inspiring awe and wonder. Visualize yourself standing before the grand-looking arch. Imagine it as a giant natural mirror, reflecting the beauty of the landscape around it. The arch frames the world like a looking glass, creating a perfect picture. As you gaze through the arch, imagine it as a portal, offering a new perspective on the world. The scenery on the other side appears even more vibrant and alive. The rocks seem to glow with an inner light. The sky appears more expansive, and the natural beauty of Moab feels more profound and infinite. Take a deep breath in, feeling the energy of the arch and the landscape it frames flowing into you. As you exhale, imagine releasing any tension or stress, letting it dissipate into the vast open space around you. With each breath, feel more and more connected to the natural world, grounded and at peace. Allow yourself to simply be in this moment, in this place of extraordinary beauty and tranquility. Embrace the stillness and silence, feeling a sense of harmony with the natural world. Let the looking glass arch be a symbol of reflection and clarity, reminding you of your own inner strength and capacity to see things from new perspectives. Gradually bring your awareness back to your breath, feeling the rise and fall of your chest, the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. Slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes, gently awakening your body. When you are ready, open your eyes, bringing with you the peace and serenity of Moab and the majestic-looking glass arch. I hope you carry this sense of calm, clarity, and connection with you as you continue with your day. Namaste, my friend.